Hi there! So Nokia is back with another smart TV. In December 2019, Nokia ventured into the smart TV segment with the 55-inch variant. Now it's launching the 43-inch variant. The Nokia website has been teasing us with the arrival of the 43-inch ever since March actually, but was probably delayed because of the coronavirus lockdown. So in this video, I'll be sharing everything from its price, features, specs and availability, and even my opinion if you should buy it or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. You know it. Alright, just to remind you, Flipkart is actually making these Nokia branded TVs. It's a part of their licensing arrangement with the company. So the 43-inch TV will be launching on 4th of June, and yes, this will be selling exclusively on Flipkart only. The Nokia 43-inch will run an Android TV 9 OS. It will also offer the same 4K resolution as the 55-inch variant. Design-wise, the TV 43-inch model will look exactly identical to the 55-inch model. Same slim bezels and the same V-shaped stand. And let me tell you, the 55-inch Nokia looks stunning with that stand. The 43-inch model will also have the exact same specifications as the 55-inch model. Quad-core CPU, Mali 450 GPU, 2.25 GB of RAM and 16 GB internal storage. I'm really glad that Nokia is providing 2.25 GB of RAM along with 16 GB internal storage. You know, at least you won't need to struggle for space to install games and apps. Also, 2.25 GB of RAM should be good enough to run the OS smoothly for a couple of years. The 55-inch Nokia TV had a 10-bit ADS panel with 400 nits of brightness. It covers 85 to 90% of the 10-bit color space. We expect the Nokia 43-inch TV to also have the same brightness and the same 10-bit panel, something to really look out for. When it comes to the audio, the Nokia TV is powered by the JBL speakers with 24 watts sound output. The TV has two full-range drivers, two front-facing tweeters and down-firing mid and lower speakers. The TV also supports Dolby Audio and DTS True Surround, and trust me, I've heard the 55-inch, it sounds amazing. And since it's an Android TV, Chromecast will come built in. Remember guys, Chromecast doesn't mean mirroring. Though you can mirror your Android phone to the Nokia TV using the Google Home app, but that's not what it's designed for. Ideally, you cast content from the TV from Chromecast compatible apps. Bluetooth 5.0 will also be supported, so you can connect your wireless headphones or even your Bluetooth home theater system very easily. The same ports from the 55-inch are also coming back. You have 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB-A ports, out of which one is USB 3.0, which is a lot faster than the regular USB port. Faster read speed means faster access and your files from your pen drive will play a lot faster and smoother. Rest, there's optical audio, Ethernet and even a 3.5 headphone jack. Both the Nokia TVs support only single band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. It's 2020 guys, buck up. We really need the dual band Wi-Fi now. Moving on the apps front, it has the Google Play Store with all the popular apps bundled along. Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, you think of it and it's there. And all these three apps that I just mentioned have hotkeys on the remote as well. So that has kind of become a norm for all the smart TVs now. And it's there on the Nokia TV as well. So if you look at the specs and design, it's literally a replica of the 55-inch variant, just in a smaller shell. The exact pricing of the TV is unknown, but we can expect it to be priced anywhere between 31,000 and 34,000. When it comes to the availability, all we know right now is that it's going to be launched on the 4th of June on Flipkart.com, and I'm quite positive it will be going on sale on the same day. So if it comes down to should you buy it? Well, the 43-inch bracket has a lot of competition. The newly launched Realme TVs, Mi TVs, View TVs, Motorola TVs, Onida Fire TVs. But I wouldn't call Realme and Onida Fire TV competition because firstly they're not 4K TVs. The Mi TV 4X and the View 4K Premium TV are a lot cheaper comparatively. The Mi TV is for 25,000 and the View 4K TV is for 26,000. The good thing about View TV is that it also has 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage. So technically when you compare it with specs, it is the closest competition to the Nokia TV. Also going back, the Nokia 55-inch was actually an amazing TV. So if you want a small size 4K smart TV with those same JBL speakers, it's actually a good buy. Also with a 10-bit panel and 400 nits of brightness, you can expect true HDR. And that's exactly why it justifies its price. I'll share the link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Also, if there are any questions or doubts regarding the Nokia TV, kindly mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to help them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.